Hello and welcome back to Lesson 3, Part 3 with Mr. Day, of course. Music with Mr. Day. This is, of course, the final part of this lesson. It's really, really sad. I've had a lot of fun getting to work with the Parkway Elementary kids, as well as those who have joined us along this journey. It's been a lot of fun. Some really, really fun stuff that we've gotten to do. The um, If this is your first time watching any of these videos, please make sure to go back to the first lesson of this rhythm unit. We've had three different lessons, this one being the last one. 9 videos in total. Each one we worked on the rhythm Tickety, which we have done fantastic. The really, really nice stuff so far. So highly suggest for you guys to go back and check those out. Inside the last part of this lesson, we just finished up doing the back to school game, which was so much fun. It had so many different rhythms that that really took it on home, and we finally finished up this unit. We know Tickety now, which is really, really good. Now I've just got a little tic-tac-toe game that I'm challenging you guys to, for kind of the finisher, to finish everything on up. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it for tic-tac-toe. And we'll see how you guys do. I think I might take you down. Let's see. Tic-tac-toe. Let's do it. All right. All right. Since I'm the teacher, I will let myself go first because I'm in charge. Okay, here we go. All right, let's start off with 1. That's what I'm going to do. All right. So, since this is my turn, I will just do the rhythm myself. You don't have to join me, but you can if you would like to do the extra practice. That's right, because we're always about practicing. Okay, so we get ourselves a steady beat, and I get 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we'll all try this rhythm out together. In 5, 6, 7, 8, tickety, tickety, ta, ta. Nice. I think I got that pretty good. Let's try it one more time, just so everyone can try it. In 5, 6, 7, 8, tickety, tickety, ta, ta. Nice, nice job. Stuff really coming along. I think that was perfect. So now comes the time for what you guys want to be. Do you guys want to be X or O? X, O, O, O. I'm hearing a lot of X's. I'll let you guys be X, and I will be O. Okay. Now it's your guys' turn. What would you like to choose? I'm hearing you guys shout from your computers. Oh my goodness, there's so many choices. I think I heard someone say 5. All right. Let's try this rhythm out together. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety, tickety, tee, tee, ta. Nice. Try it one more time. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety, tickety, tee, tee, ta. Nice. Really nice. Good job. All right. I'll give you guys that one. You guys did pretty good. All right. Then I'm going to go for number 7. That's right. All right. Here we go. Let's see if I can get this. You guys can join me if you'd like. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Ticka, 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 tee, 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 ta. Ooh, tricky rhythm right there. Let's try it all together one time. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Ticka, 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 tee, 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 ta. Nice. Sorry. Nice, nice, nice. I think that's deserving of one right there. All right, what would you guys like to go for? Ooh, I'm hearing a lot of fours. You guys want to go for 4? But that means that I won't be able to. Smart. Smart play. All right, number 4 for you guys. Number 4 for you guys. Okay, let's try it out. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety, tickety, tee, tee, ta. Nice, not bad, not bad. Try one more time together. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety, tickety, tee, tee, ta. Nice. Good job, guys. What can I say? You guys got that one pretty good. Not bad, not bad. And now you guys are close to winning. I think I might take that 6. All right, here we go. Together. In 5, 6, 7, 8. T, T, tickety, T, T, ta. Not bad. Try it one more time in 5, 6, 7, 8. T, T, tickety, T, T, ta. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. I think I'll give that one to myself, you know? All right, your guys' turn. What one do you want to go for? I'm hearing a lot of 2s. I'll give you guys that. All right. 2 for you guys. We'll do it together though. In 5, 6, 7, 8. T, 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 tickety, ta. Nice. Try one more time. In 5, 6, 7, 8. T, 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 tickety, ta. Nice. Good job, guys. Good job. I'll give you that. You guys get an X. Oh, and you guys are close to getting that right there, aren't you? Oh my goodness. Oh my gracious. Okay. I'll go for 8 to block you guys. Okay. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ta, tickety, ta. Nice. Nice, nice. Okay. Let's try it one more time. One more time. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ta, tickety, ta. Nice. I think I got that one. I might win this. What would you guys like to choose? You guys want to go for 9? Really? 9's not that great of a number. Just kidding. All right, I'll give you guys 9. Okay. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety, tickety, ta. Not bad, not bad. Make sure you're holding through all the way on that half note. Try it one more time. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety, tickety, ta. Not bad. Not bad at all. I'll give you guys that one. All right. Looks like it's going to be a draw, but tell you what, I'll let you guys win if you can do number 3 on your own perfectly. Let's try it. Let's try it together. Ready? In 5, 6, 7, 8. T, T, tickety, tickety, ta. Nice. Not bad. Let me hear it one more time, and then I might let you guys win. In 5, 6, 7, A, T, T, tickety, tickety, ta. Alright, I'll give it to you guys. You guys win, you guys win. Maybe I'll draw on the board, but you guys win. Not bad. Good job. Alright. Well done, guys. That's the end of that little guy. So let's just do a quick overview here, right? First off, might as well use this slide to talk about how great you guys have been doing. Great job. You guys were absolutely amazing. Very nice. Oh my goodness. I love all those little guys. Remember, this is from a scene from Up. Definitely check it out if you guys haven't seen it yet. So, to answer some of the questions, tickety time, right? How does it fit in a rhythm, though? How does it fit in a rhythm? Well, we've talked about it. 2/16 notes and 1/8 note make a tickety, right? And that itself is one beat. So, that's how it fits inside a rhythm. As for how do you sound it out? How do you sound it out? You might be wondering. Well, it's tickety. The same thing that we've been saying this whole time, and even the title of this presentation. Alright. Last time that we'll be doing this rhythm here for this little lesson. Let's try and see if we can do this one all together. Ready? Get that steady beat going. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety-ta, tickety-ta. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. Let's try it one last time. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety-ta, tickety-ta. Nice. Great job, guys. Really, really nice. You guys did fantastic. It was so much fun getting to work with you guys over these past few lessons. You guys did great. Thank you so much to the Parkway Elementary kids. You guys were fantastic. To all those who have joined along, really nice job to you guys. It's been so much fun. Makes me sad. I'll make sure to keep on doing some videos here so that you guys can be able to keep on having some fun with music and all that stuff. Sorry, give me one sec. It's been fantastic. You guys have done so well. Please make sure to check out all the other videos. Make sure that you guys look through all that stuff. It's in my kiddos at Parkway Elementary. If you're still looking for work to do, don't forget I gave you that workbook a little while ago with the instrument families. There's no better way to keep on practicing those guys too, especially for those who are wanting to go into band. I know some of you are really interested in that. So, thank you guys so much again. On behalf of Missouri Western State University, this one goes out to you guys. Thank you to my advisors, my supervisor as well for helping me out throughout these lessons to help guide me. Thank you to all the EDU course teachers who have helped me to shape these lessons. I feel that these experiences have been really, really cool. Comment below about how you thought about these lessons, what you learned, cool things that you're wanting to do over the summer too. Of course, I love seeing what you guys talk about. Other than that, I think that we are all set. We'll go ahead and hop on out of here. Really nice job, guys. I will see you guys again in the future. Sweet. Thank you so much.